So if I were to go around over here under the Gantt chart menu, you can see that there are different views that you can actually go around and access. Like, let's say, for example, resource graph right here, there's like task uses right here, there's like timeline and so forth, as you can see right here. You can go around and modify these and save them as your own view as well. For example, over here you can see the assignment units and peaks right here. But if I want to go around and create another version of this particular view, then you can go around under the drop down menu right here and then click on save view. So I'm just going to go around and type in custom TutorTube right here, just like this, and press OK right here. So now once I do that, I am in the custom TutorTube view. So if I were to go around and then hide these, let's just go around and then hide these columns right here and insert some column. You can see that this is what I have right here. Let me just go around and hide the start and then hide the finish over here, just like this as well. And this is what you have. So now I am in the custom TutorTube view right here. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, resource uses, you can see that this is what I have. Under the resource C, this is what you have right here. Under the task uses right here, you can see the assignment units and peaks right here. But if I were to go to custom, then you can see that assignment units and peaks are there, but some of the columns that I removed aren't there. So this is a separate view on its own right here. I'm just going to go around and click on, let's say, save view right here, and I'm going to save this as a new view, or you can update the current view as well. But what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here and save it as that view. So I can go around over here and let me just hide around these columns right here. Everything. So let me just go around, hide this, hide this, and I'm going to hide this column and hide this column, and this is what you have. So now if I were to go around over here onto custom TutorTube, you can see that this is the view that I have. But if I were to go to TutorTube, then you can see that now I am in the other view where all of the columns are hidden. And that is how you can go around and save custom views and utilize custom views inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.